President has served 2 terms. Uyaqedela kule term. Angiyazi noba nizomfuna kuyelandelayo. But akhonto emnqandelayo. Masiyekele kweloso sikhathi masizayo.
On this video, we are talking about a very controversial statement that the Secretary General of the ANC, Mr. Fikile Mbalula, made. He made this statement today at Mpumalanga province, at the provincial council meeting there in Mpumalanga. Fikile Mbalula was heard saying that current ANC president, Mr. Fikile Ramaphosa, not Fikile Ramaphosa, Mr. Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa. Yes, Mr. Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa. Fikile Mbalula did mention that Mr. Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa is done with his 2 terms as the ANC president. He's finishing his 2nd term now. However, Mr. Ramaphosa, if he like to, if Mr. Ramaphosa ezizwa efit again ukuthi abo president we-ANC. Yes, if the president feels that he wants to run for the 3rd term as the ANC president, Fikile Mbalula is open to that. And then in some way, this sounded like he was preparing the people to be ready for the 3rd term of Mr. Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa to run as a president of the ANC for the 3rd term. And then now it's kind of confusing and how it's going to be done, or else he's going to also try to amend the current South African constitution and run for the 3rd term as a South African president as well. I don't know. There's a lot of things that have been thrown on the social networks. I saw on X, I saw on TikTok, here on YouTube. But let me just play you the clip. Please don't forget to leave your comment. Thank you.
Manje, comrades, we are not going to explain statements. Kukwabantu who blew that talk of the president among us here out of proportion, because they want to sustain this thing that uRamaphosa, hey uRamaphosa, umntu wabelungu. uRamaphosa inkokeli eqotho ye-ANC. Siyazela emzabalazweni. Abantu abamonyulayo bamlanda estratweni ezenzela ibhizinisi. Azange ancenge ukuzoba inkokeli. Namlanda lapha eBloemfontein. Thina nasishaya sashiya izicathulo lapha. Namenza upresident, udeputy president. Leyo angeke ngiyikhohlwe ngoba kwashaywa mina lapha. Ene ngiyayazi ukuthi uRamaphosa azange ancenge ukuba inkokeli. He was nice having a job yoba i-NEC member emnandi kabi. Namlanda wabetraywa by the same people abamlandile. Bona laba bantu bamlandile, abanye babo wababuza uRamaphosa makabe emnyule eBloemfontein wathi maningenza i-deputy, what happens? Bathi uyanyuka up. What up? Wayibamba uMatamela kuthiwa ndiyanyuka mos. Wanyuka nyani. Wanyuka. Kanti laba bantu bathanyuke bayamkhohliswa banabantu baba babafaka epoketeni. Ithema abafuna uba unleasha yabahlula lonto. President has served 2 terms. Uyaqedela kule term. Angiyazi noba nizomfuna kuyelandelayo. But akhonto emnqandelayo. Masiyekele kweloso sikhathi masizayo. Ningalwi nomuntu. Ngathi ngikhuluma ngobaba uMtsipe kwathiwa ndilwa naye. Angilwi naye futhi if ngikhulume kabi ngiyahoxa. Ngoba ngalwiswa kakubi ngabantu bakaMtsipe wena SG yeke lento. yokulwa noMtsipe. Angilwi noMtsipe, bengikhuluma i-decision ye-NEC eyokuthi masiyeke ukuxoxa lento yobuholi ngoba sisenkingeni. Masilwe siwina ama-election sizoyixoxa masibuya lapha. Kukho abantu abayithandayo ke lento. Ngithi nami mangibayeke. Ngoba mangibakhalima ngisho izinto esivumelene ngazo kuthiwa uMbalula usislower down yena uyaqhubeka. Uyabona mangimelana namhlanje nimane nisithi hayine pula yaMbalula kuthi sinitshelile nanso. uMandla akazulala la. Mandla niyenzani eMpumalanga? Why uMbalula ehlala ejika lapho? Sekufuneka bakhohliwe ukuthi ndingunobhala and ngizobuya na next week Mandla ungawari. Yes. Yeah, let's make you aware. Our enemies, they like to divert us with this thing. If you want to divert an ANC person, mfake kwinto ye leadership succession. They lose focus bajongele and forget everything. So you must refuse to be diverted. Even when you read the headlines, look at them and pass and focus on the task. Mpumalanga is ready from where I'm seated to proceed to the provincial conference, and nothing must stop you from that. Others may not be ready as you are, but I believe, Comrade Joe, this province is ready. And masinga ibambezeli masikhulula iMpumalanga maniqhube. Sivale ngokukhawuleza lento yale conference iphele, so that you focus. Because if we postpone it, we'll have to convert you to be a PTT unnecessarily. Why do we convert a structure that is ready to be a PTT? Mandla move from a provincial executive to PTT. I-PTT ayikomandi ke mhlekazi, ndi umuntu okhokhela i-PTT ndimvusana ngo-12 ndimchintshe. Did you know you are changed from today? Awuyazi nokuthi lo decision ivelaphi. Did you know you are changed, comrade? I think you must now become just an ordinary member. So akho mntu ufuna ukhokhela ngempundo enye. Umuntu ufuna ukhokhela kamandi zabalala. So Mpumalanga must lead. You are doing a great job, comrades. Let us continue to build an organization. Thank you very much.